Ever heard of rewards that reward you for being responsible? Think about it. You pay your bills on time, avoid interest charges, and, well, that's usually where it ends. But what if your credit card could actually thank you for your financial good behavior? Enter the Sofi credit card. This isn't your average rewards card. Sofi built a reputation for student loan refinancing, but their credit card takes a whole new approach. Intrigued? Let's dive into how you can snag this card and start reaping some unique benefits. But first, a quick question. Are you tired of reward programs that make you jump through hoops? We've all been there. Points that expire faster than you can use them, blackout dates on travel rewards, and reward structures that seem designed by a maze enthusiast. The Sofi credit card ditches that frustration. Instead, it offers two straightforward rewards with a focus on helping you manage your money better. Sounds good? Perfect, because applying for this card is a breeze. Step 1. Check if you're pre-qualified. Sofi does a soft credit pull to see if you might qualify for the card. The beauty? This soft pull won't hurt your credit score at all. Head over to Sofi's website and hit the Check for Offers button. If you see a pre-qualification, congratulations. You're halfway there. Step 2. Apply online. The application process is entirely online. Gather some basic info beforehand like your social security number, employment details, and income. Sofi will also ask about your existing debts, but don't worry, this is all part of their responsible lending practices. Step 3. Relax, hopefully get approved. Once you submit your application, Sofi will do a hard credit check. This will show up on your credit report, but again, it's only done if you move forward after the pre-qualification. The waiting time for approval can vary, but Sofi aims to get you an answer quickly. So, you got approved. Here's where the fun starts. The Sofi credit card offers two main reward tracks. Track 1, rewards points for everyday purchases. This is pretty standard, but Sofi keeps it simple. Every dollar you spend earns you 2 points. No weird categories, no blackout dates. Just swipe your card and watch those points pile up. Here's the twist. You can redeem your points for cash back or get them deposited directly into a Sofi investment account. That's right, invest your rewards and potentially grow them over time. How cool is that? Track 2, reward yourself for paying on time. This is where Sofi truly sets itself apart. Make all your minimum payments on time each month, and Sofi will bump your rewards rate to 3 points per dollar for the next month. It's a small but significant way to be rewarded for responsible credit card use. But wait, there's more. The Sofi credit card also boasts no annual fees. That's a breath of fresh air in today's credit card landscape. Global acceptance. Use your card anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Security features. Sofi employs industry-standard security measures to keep your information safe. Is the Sofi credit card the perfect card for everyone? Probably not. If you're a travel hacker obsessed with maximizing points and miles, there might be a better fit out there. But for those who value a straightforward rewards program that incentivizes responsible credit use, the Sofi credit card is a compelling option. So, is the Sofi credit card right for you? Head over to their website, check for pre-qualification offers, and see if it could be a good fit for your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.